Hi friends, I am Mary from Marie Crochet. Want to make the cutest hair accessory ever? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this adorable puff flower hair tie step by step. So now let's begin. For this project, I'm using this hair tie, hook size number 3 and yarn of medium size in 2 colors. We will start our project with a magic ring. This will be the center part of our puff flower. Now we will make chain 1 and 10 single crochets in the magic ring. I repeat again, we will make 10 single crochets in the magic ring. Here we have completed our 10 single crochets in the magic ring. Now it's time to crochet the petals. First we need to make 4 chains. Now yarn over and insert your hook in the same stitch. Now pull up a loop and yarn over and pull through only 2 loops. Again yarn over in the same stitch, insert your hook, pull up a loop, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops only. And again now we will repeat the same thing in the same stitch that we are making the previous one. So this is the this is the unfinished double crochet that we have made in this stitch. Okay, now again move to the next stitch, repeat the same pattern. Make 3 unfinished double crochet in the next stitch. So here we have done our second one and this is the last one. So yeah, pull up the 2 loops. Now we have 7 loops on our hook. Now yarn over and pull up through all the loops and make a bit tighter. Now chain 4, 2, 3 and 4 and slip stitch into the very same stitch and just pull up all the loops to make it a pretty puff. See how cute is this looking? So okay, now move to the next petal. Again chain 4, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch in the same stitch. Now pull through the 2 loops. Again repeat this pattern. In one stitch we are making 3 unfinished double crochet. So we have done it. Now move to the next stitch. The same pattern we will do, pull through only 2 loops. So this is puff flower is all about the unfinished half double crochet. The more puffy you want, the more unfinished half double crochet you need to make in the stitch. Now pull through all the loops. We have 7 loops. Yep. Now pull through all the loops. Make it a bit tighter. Now chain 4 and slip stitch into the very same stitch. Again chain 4. See, the 2 petals have been completed. Again chain 4, 2, 3 and 4 and make 3 3 unfinished double crochets. Once you completed the 3 unfinished double crochet, then move to the next stitch and make 3 more unfinished double crochets. And once you have 7 loops on your hook, just pull up through all the loops and repeat this pattern across. So here we have completed our last petal of the flower. Now chain 4 and slip stitch into the very same stitch and cut the yarn and weave off the end. Now we will make this center white part of the flower. For this I need white color yarn. This is also the puff stitch. So first we need the slip knot and chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. In the fifth chain, 1 2 3 4, in the fifth chain we will make 3 unfinished double crochets. In the fifth chain we will make 3 unfinished double crochet. Here we go, 2 and then the last one. Now move to the next stitch. In the next stitch we will repeat this pattern. We will make the 3 unfinished half double crochets. Once we will have the 7 loops on our hook, we will pull through our yarn through all the loops. Here we have our 7 loops on our hook. I'll show you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now pull through all the loops. Again chain 4, 1 2 3 and 4 and slip stitch into the same stitch. So here are this fluffy puff completed. Now it's time to attach this center part of the flower with the red one. Just take the 2 yarn strand and pull it through the flower center. This is the first one and here comes the second one. Just take its yarn and pull it to the other side of the center of the flower and tie a knot to secure it nicely. So here our puff flower is completed. We will crochet this little base for the back side of the flower to secure our hair tie and give it a neat look. So how can we do it is just a magic circle, chain 1 and 10 single crochets into the magic ring. Just simple 10 single crochets into the magic ring. This little base for the back side of the flower, it's completed. Now cut the extra yarn and now it's time to attach it to our flower and the hair tie. So it's just a very simple step. Watch carefully what I'm doing. First, what you need is to take obviously the needle and the thread. First, make tiny stitches to secure this red band to the hair tie. It's very simple, there is nothing fancy in it that I'm doing. Just making a tiny stitch to secure my hair tie nicely. Once the hair tie attached to the flower, now it's time to sew that little red base that we have crochet along with this hair tie. This technique gives a neater and professional look to your project. So that's a little tip from Marie to you. So here are finally this cute hair tie, puff flower hair tie completed. So this is its final look. Hope you like this tutorial, and also remember to follow and subscribe your crochet buddy Marie. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, bye.